Welcome to another episode of the Dr. Akash Show. My name is Dr. Akash Bajaj, and I am a triple board certified medical physician here to help you focus on rituals and routines to keep you resilient and robust. Now, today, I want to talk to you about a very practical and very hot topic, and that is the top 3 supplements specifically for females to improve their longevity. Now, before we get into this, if you find any value in this episode or in previous episodes or the show in general, go ahead and like and subscribe and share the episode. Our statistics on our end show that the majority of the viewers are not subscribed to the channel. So just hit that subscribe button for me right now, and that'll help us show the algorithms this content to more like-minded individuals. So let's get into it. Now, the top 3 supplements promoting longevity specifically for females is very important. Although I discuss a lot about longevity and supplementation in a general format, these 3 supplements specifically focus on maximizing the longevity and the quality of life of the fairer sex. So, supplement number 1, omega-3 fatty acids. Now, omega-3 fatty acids, as we've discussed previously, are very potent antioxidants as well as anti-inflammatory molecules. An antioxidant basically means these molecules have the ability to run through your body and basically clean up any damaged cells, free radicals, things that may ultimately progress into causing harm to your body. And as an anti-inflammatory, these molecules work very effectively to decrease the inflammation in your body as a whole. Collectively, these 2 things help your body run better, which will promote overall function and promote overall longevity. The specific benefits in respect to these omega-3 fatty acids are an improvement in cardiovascular health, brain function, and chronic disease. 3 sources of omega-3 fatty acids for you to consider getting into immediately. Number 1, fatty fish. This can include things like salmon. Number 2, walnuts. And number 3, flaxseed. Typical recommended dose is anywhere from 250 to 300 milligrams per day. But as always, this is not medical advice. Please consult your physician specifically for what's right for you. Now, there's lots of research on the benefit of omega-3 fatty acids. This is kind of a tried and true component when it comes to longevity. But specifically, there's an article in the Journal of the American Medical Association demonstrating a direct link between omega-3 fatty acids and reducing cardiovascular disease. Also, the Journal of Nutrition has an article demonstrating that omega-3 fatty acids can reduce dementia as well as improve cognitive function. Now, of course, this is good for everybody, but let's talk females. Female-specific benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. Now, you may or may not know this, but females are more susceptible to things like cardiovascular disease post-menopause, and this is secondary to decreased estrogen levels. So for this reason, omega-3 fatty acids are incredibly powerful to combat this degenerative process. In addition, omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to decrease the pain associated with menstrual cramps and improve mood in females overall. So you're looking at an improvement in cardiovascular health, which significantly declines after menopause, an improvement in overall mood in everybody, but especially in females, and a decrease in menstrual cramp pain for those premenopausal females. So basically, very powerful, very well studied, very effective for females of all ages. Now, supplement number 2 also helps with mood, but can also help with bone health and immune system function. And that supplement is vitamin D. Now, the reason vitamin D is so powerful for everybody is because it can maintain bone density and improve muscle function. In addition, it's a strong supporting molecule for your immune system function as well. Most of my clients in the anti-aging protocols that we provide are almost always across the board deficient in vitamin D, because vitamin D primarily is obtained from sunlight. We spend so much of our time indoors. We're in our homes, we're in our cars, and typically we're in our office buildings, and maybe we're in a gym, right? So you don't spend a lot of time outside. However, that being said, if this is the lifestyle that you are dealing with, like most of us are, You can supplement vitamin D by taking it in a pill form from a supplement store. There are certain foods like cereals and milks that are fortified with vitamin D. If you have more questions about this, message me directly or leave a comment below, and I'll give you some supplements that I recommend that may be helpful for you. Now, general recommendations here are about 600 to 800 IUs per day of vitamin D. But again, this is not medical advice. Please consult your physician. And if you're interested in becoming a client of ours, go ahead and apply by leaving a comment below or message me directly. And our clients obviously get direct advice and recommendations from our team as well. So please consult a physician before you determine your dose. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has a study linking vitamin D to a decreased risk of osteoporosis and fractures in older women. In addition, the Journal of Endocrinology has a meta-analysis, basically a fancy way of reviewing all of the existing data that demonstrates that vitamin D supplementation, specifically in females, reduces depression and improves overall mood. Now, female-specific benefits for vitamin D. Now, females have a greater risk of developing osteoporosis, and these osteoporotic changes basically means that the density of the bone becomes less and less. So a strong bone, the way you typically think about it, becomes more and more brittle and potentially weak, and that is osteoporosis basically, which also means that there's a higher likelihood of a fracture from a simple fall or any sort of injury that can be very catastrophic. Females tend to be at a much higher risk for this as they age. So vitamin D can help support bone structure and bone density, slowing down or hopefully eliminating osteoporosis in general. In addition, vitamin D has also been shown to significantly improve mood as well as menstrual pain also, and PMS symptoms in females and energy level. So a lot of potential benefits there with vitamin D. Again, very tried and true. So vitamin D, great for everybody across the board. When you think vitamin D, think bone, think immune system, and think muscle, right? Now, as females specifically age, they have a decrease in bone density, so we can combat that. And we can also combat the immune system decline across the board for everybody, as well as overall energy and improving mood, PMS symptoms, as well as menstrual cramps and menstrual pain. Again, another powerful supplement, kind of a no-brainer. Now, supplement number 3. Before we get into this, guys, if you haven't liked or subscribed yet, go ahead and hit subscribe right now. You can become a regular viewer of this show. We release an episode every week. And again, this will show the algorithms to expose this to more like-minded people. Now, getting into supplement number 3. Now, supplement number 3 is specific for skin, bone, joint, and hair health. All of these things tend to decline as we age, especially females, and that is collagen. So as we age, specifically in females, the levels of collagen in our body, they also decline. And when collagen declines, you're looking at decreased skin elasticity, leading to things like wrinkles. You're leading to increased joint pain and pain in general, and you're leading to increased hair loss and increased bone fragility, leading to things like osteoporosis and fractures. Great sources of collagen protein include bone broth, collagen supplements, and collagen peptides. Those 3 things are a great source of obtaining collagen. Now, how much should you use? Now, generally speaking, again, not medical advice, about 10 grams per day. But again, consult one of your physicians if you have one. And if you're interested in working with us, go ahead and contact us. And of course, we provide more strict and customized recommendations for our patients. So think about around 10 grams per day. The Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology has demonstrated that collagen supplementation improves skin elasticity, decreases wrinkles, and improves skin hydration. The Journal of Arthritis has shown that collagen supplementation can reduce joint pain. Now, female-specific benefits here include the fact that although we all lose collagen as we get older, females lose collagen at a greater rate than males, especially after menopause. So everything we've discussed today symptomatically can be more evident and more apparent, and unfortunately affect females greater than males. So this is a great reason why supplementation with this, again, tried and true research-backed supplement, totally safe, is a very good idea. So to summarize, the top 3 supplements specifically for improving longevity and overall function for females include number 1, omega-3 fatty acids, number 2, vitamin D, and number 3, collagen. Now, if you're interested in really getting on some sort of a program and having an experienced physician supervise your journey from where you are to the optimal person you see in your mind 6 to 12 months from now, that vision of yourself that you've been chasing for a very long time, go ahead and contact me directly. Leave a comment down below, message me here, message me on Instagram at Akash Bajaj MD. I'll connect you with one of our team members. We can have a conversation and we can see if we're a good fit for each other, so we can offer our benefits that go much deeper than what we talk about here, customized and bespoke for you and your needs. And for anybody else watching here, if you have experience with any of these supplements that we've discussed today or anything else that you think is beneficial, leave it in the comments below. The rituals and routines here are pretty straightforward, guys. The 3 things that we talked about, go ahead and start supplementing those. We have a customized supplement that has all of these components in one. Again, if you're interested, comment below or message me directly. I'll put you in contact with somebody who can help you out with that. But regardless, you can also find these supplements individual online stores, brick and mortar stores, whatever the case may be. Just take some action on that. Resilience, we always talk about resilience, the ability to overcome difficult situations. Listen, if you're supplementing with things like this, you're improving your physical health, you're improving your mood, your cognition, your immune system. All of these things are going to make you ultra resilient, obviously, right? So really consider that. This is going to get you closer to becoming the optimized version of yourself. It's quick, it's easy, it's inexpensive, it's a no-brainer. And then how do you become robust? Robust means being the most powerful version of yourself. That probably means not getting sick as much so you can work out on a regular basis. That probably means having a good mood and a good attitude so you can approach your life challenges and life stressors with vigor and an intentional path to move through them and beyond them. All of these things happen when your system physiologically as well as cognitively is running at high performance with these 3 supplements. Pretty straightforward. So guys, I hope you got some value from this episode. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And as always, the best time to start something was yesterday. The second best time is today. Don't look back tomorrow with regret. Take one small step today to getting yourself maximally optimized. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of the Dr. Akash Show.